Looking for an appliance that can handle your baking dreams with less grease and more crunch? Today we're digging into something awesome. Convection ovens. You know, those kitchen gadgets that promise to bake, fry, and toast all in one, without drowning your food in oil. If you're curious about upgrading your cooking game, you're in the right place. I've rounded up 5 solid models to check out. We're gonna break down the characteristics of each model, so you can figure out if one's worth your hard-earned cash. Could this be your ticket to ditching greasy frying for something healthier and way more convenient? Stick around, because we're about to find out. First up, we've got the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, model TOA-70, and let me tell you, this thing is like the Swiss Army knife of kitchen appliances. It's an air fryer, a convection toaster oven, and more, all rolled into one. The capacity is pretty impressive. It can handle a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast, so it's perfect if you're feeding a crew or just love leftovers. The air fryer function is a standout, letting you whip up crispy fries or wings with way less oil, which is awesome if you're trying to keep things a little healthier. Plus, the convection tech means hot air circulates around your food for even cooking. No more soggy spots or burnt edges. This oven's got a temperature range from 80 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can do everything from keeping stuff warm to cranking it for a quick bake. It comes with 7 cooking modes: air fry, convection bake, convection broil, regular bake, broil, warm, and toast. You're basically covered for any kitchen task. It also includes some handy accessories right out of the box: an oven rack, a baking pan, an air fryer basket, and a crumb tray to keep cleanup easy. The design's sleek too, with a stainless steel finish that'll look sharp on your counter. This thing's a dream if you love versatility. You can whip up crispy fries 1 minute and grill a steak the next. It's awesome for mixing up your cooking game. But heads up, it's not the smallest unit out there, so if your counter's already crowded, you might feel the squeeze. Also, those analog dials? Super intuitive for some, but if you're a precision freak, you might wish for digital controls. Still, it's a solid pick if you want a do-it-all machine without overthinking it. What do you think about this Cuisinart model? Got any tips for using it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Next up, the BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake. This one's a compact convection oven with a twist. It's got air fry tech built in, so you're getting that crispy goodness without a standalone fryer. It's got 5 functions: bake, broil, toast, keep warm, and air fry, all powered by 1500 watts. The convection fan keeps things moving for even cooking, and it's sized to fit a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of toast. Perfect for smaller households. Comes with an air fry basket, bake pan, and rack, and it's got a 60-minute timer with an auto shut-off, which is clutch for not burning your place down. The controls are simple knobs: temp, function, and time, and it's got a sleek stainless steel look that doesn't scream budget, even though it's on the lighter side of the pack. The BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake Convection Oven with Air Fry that's all about keeping it easy and efficient. This one's a win if you're tight on space. It's compact but still packs a punch for everyday meals. The air fry mode's legit for quick snacks like wings or fries. But don't expect miracles. It's not as roomy as some others, so big batches might feel cramped. And the knobs can be a little vague, so you might need to play around to nail your settings. Still, it's a no-fuss option that gets the job done. Now, let's dig into the Breville Smart Oven Pro. This thing's a premium convection oven that's basically a kitchen genius. It's got a whopping 10 cooking functions: toast, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, slow cook, and bagel mode, all running on 1800 watts of power. The convection fan's top-notch, keeping heat even across a roomy interior that fits a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or even a small roast. It comes with an oven rack, a baking pan, and a broil rack, and the inside's got a non-stick coating so cleanup's a breeze. The temp range is wide, 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and that slow cook mode can run up to 10 hours, which is nuts for a countertop oven. Think tender pulled pork without firing up a big appliance. The controls are a digital display with knobs for temp, function, and time, plus a handy interior light to check on your food without opening the door. It's got an Element IQ system too, which tweaks the heating elements to avoid hot spots. Super smart stuff. The stainless steel body looks sleek and pro-level, perfect for showing off. The Breville Smart Oven Pro Convection Toaster Oven has slow cook that's built for precision and flavor. This Breville's a dream if you're into precision, It cooks like a champ, and that slow cook feature? Unreal for stews or roasts. The digital setup makes it feel fancy yet simple. But it's a bit of a space hog, so your counter better be ready. And if you're just toasting bread daily, it might be overkill. Tons of features you might not touch. Still, if you're a foodie, this one's got your name on it. What do you think of this Breville beauty? Hit the comments with your take and help others pick. Alright, onto the Elite Gourmet French Door Toaster Oven, Model TOA-70. This one's a beast. It's a double-door convection oven that's all about big capacity and cool style. The interior is a massive 45 liters, so you're fitting two 14-inch pizzas, 18 slices of toast, or a whole rotisserie chicken with room to spare. It's got 1,500 watts of power and a convection fan to keep heat flowing evenly, plus 5 functions: bake, broil, toast, rotisserie, and keep warm. You get 2 oven racks, a rotisserie spit with a removal tool, and a drip tray right out of the box. Everything you need to get cooking. The temp goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's got 4 knobs, separate controls for top and bottom heaters, function, and a 60-minute timer, so you can tweak it just how you like. Those French doors are a vibe. Open one or both for easy access. And the stainless steel finish gives it a classy, almost restaurant-worthy look. The rotisserie's a standout, spinning your food for juicy and even results every time. This Elite Gourmet double-door convection oven with rotisserie is made for big meals and big wins. If you're feeding a squad or love hosting, this thing's a lifesaver. Tons of space, and that rotisserie makes roasts a breeze. But it's a giant, so small kitchens might cry uncle. And those knobs take some fiddling to master the heat balance. If you're just cooking for one, it might be too much. But for family feasts? Absolute gold. What's your take on this Elite Gourmet beast? Last but not least, the COSORI air fryer oven. This one's a modern marvel. It's like a kitchen playground with 11 functions: air fry, bake, broil, toast, roast, dehydrate, pizza, warm, ferment, convection bake, and convection broil, all powered by 1800 watts. The convection fan's got 2 speeds, normal and turbo, for extra control, and the 26-quart capacity fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or a decent-sized roast. It comes with a wire rack, an air fry basket, a food tray, and a crumb tray to keep things tidy. The temp ranges from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and the digital display with push buttons makes it a breeze to set time and heat. Super sleek and user-friendly. It's got a non-stick interior for easy cleanup, and here's the kicker. That dehydrate mode can dry out snacks like jerky or fruit, while ferment lets you whip up yogurt or proof dough. The stainless steel designs is sharp and modern, with a big window to watch your food transform. The COSORI air fryer toaster oven is loaded with tricks for kitchen adventurers. This oven is a blast if you love experimenting, dehydrating fruit or air frying wings. It's got you covered with style. The digital controls are slick and fun to use. But it's not tiny, so counter space is a must. And with all those modes, it might feel overwhelming if you just want simple toast. Still, if you're into gadgets that do it all, this one's a winner. And there you have it, folks. 5 convection ovens that'll take your kitchen to the next level. Each one's got its own flavor, so I hope you spotted something that fits your vibe. Are any of these what you're looking for? Check the description for more info if you're curious. Got opinions on these products? Share your feedback in the comments. Oh, and if you know family or friends hunting for the perfect kitchen upgrade, share this video with them to give them a hand picking the right one. Smack that like button if you enjoyed this, subscribe for more chill reviews, and I'll catch you on the next one.